Hey folks, so I've just had a very special delivery from the folks at Xbox slash Microsoft. Very friendly driver came to the door and handed it to me, and I've got it right here and I'm going to unbox it right in front of you. So let's have a look and see what we got. If you remember, we were at RAF Lakenheath a while ago for the premiere of Top Gun, the new movie, and I think I know what this is all about. Hello. Oh, hello. Some of that. Let's just pull that out of there. Very nice. Okay, wait a second, just discard that. Put that on there like that. Hello, hello, hello. Very nice. Oh! Fantastic. Okay, can we turn that off? Ah, there we go. Well, very nicely presented, eh? How about that? Oh, okay, well, we'll try and ignore that. But hey, look at this. I guess this is the Xbox, is it not? Special edition. Wow, how about that, eh? Okay, and the controller, which is pretty funky. Have a look at that with all the bit bops on it, and yeah, nicely liveried there. And I think it looks like a pair of shades. Oh, have a look, have a look. Hey, how about that? I won't be able to see anything when I'm playing it, but we'll have a go. Let's give this fire. Let's give it a go anyway. We've got some paperwork here. It's a little card. Xbox Game Pass official correspondence. Tom Cruise Top Gun Maverick. Only in theatres, it's saying. Microsoft Flight Simulator and Paramount are teaming up to celebrate the release of Top Gun Maverick. We couldn't be more excited to share this custom pack of gear with you. Replicate flyovers, flybys and flight paths from the movie with the Microsoft Flight Simulator Top Gun Maverick expansion. Sincerely, Xbox Game Studios and Paramount Pictures. Well, how about that? I think there's only one thing to do, isn't there? Let's set it up and have a go. Right, here we go, folks. I have already done some challenges, and there is the training options there. Okay, 44% completed on the challenges. Okay, we've done all of this. We've done the low altitude stuff. Advanced challenges. This is not easy, man. Okay, folks, so I have sort of jumped the gun a little bit here, forgive the pun. And we are going to go straight for a carrier landing attempt. Ready to fly. Is gear down? Yeah, gear's down. Let's see if we can fly this puppy in. It's a bit odd that she keeps popping her nose up. Okay, we've got to fly this in. We're a little bit low. wants me to wave off, but I'm not going to do it, man. Are you? Whoa, I'm stalling. Go round. Oh, keeps telling me I'm high. Stalled it. Wave on. Oh, you. Wave on. Oh, I touched down. Challenge completed. Go on, son.